Okay. Hey, my name is Rashab, and this is the video for our team, the Game Boys, and our project name is Game Search Engine. And I am presenting here with my other team members.
Hi, I'm Dylan Bikram. I also was a part of Game Boys and a part of the project.
Greetings, I'm David Ramtula, and I'm also a part of the Game Boys project.
All right. So the project we made was addressing a problem where we wanted to create a type of search engine that could look through a large library of games and want users to be able to sort through these games by rating and find games that they're interested in to play. That was like the main motivation for us. A lot of people have trouble finding good games and really sorting through the massive libraries that are out there, and we wanted to make something that made it a little bit easier. The way we did this is we implemented a quick and merge sort algorithm, and we also had a way to filter through some of the data that we have here. As you can see, there's a lot of different platforms that we can blacklist for filtering, and there's also just like genre types. The data that we used for this project was collected from the ROG API using Python. A third party did that data collection, and we went to Kaggle and we used the CSV that they created using Python and ROG API. The data set that we used had around 474,000 data points. But for simplicity's sake, and so our code runs a little bit faster and cleaner, we diluted that data set to 100,000 nodes of game data and metadata. The tools that we used, as you can see, is Visual Studio 2022. And we at this website Kaggle that we drew the data from. Our GUI was also made through Visual Studio, as were the merge and quick sorts that we implemented in here. And the data that we collected was stored in a CSV file. And of course, all of our code is linked in a report to GitHub.
Okay. So
Yeah.
now I'll be talking about the how the actual project works. So essentially, our aim was to do was that we have several buttons that indicate like different like filters that we can apply to the data set for searching. So when it comes to like age, we have like 3 or 4 buttons that dictate like the age in which a game was released. So we have from 1980 to 1999, 2000 to 2019, and 2020 to now. And we also have TBA. That's for all like the years in the data set that were not applicable or were left blank. We also have a bunch of different platforms and genres that the user could blacklist. Blacklisting, which refers to like that they do not want or do not want in the data set. So for example, if they clicked on action and Game Boy, they would not receive any action, or adventure and Game Boy Advance, they would not receive any data for games that are relating to adventure or on the Game Boy Advance. If you look at the buttons on the top and on the left side, you could sort the information based on the blacklist. You could sort from smallest to largest using quick sort, or you could sort from largest to smallest using merge sort. And those largest to smallest, those metrics are based on the ratings of the game. So if you were to click the quick sort button, you would get games based on the the from the smallest rating to the highest rating. And the other would be from the largest rating to the lowest rating. And that's basically all we have to talk about today. Thank you.